eat that quickly. So right now it feels like it's 9 p.m., 10 p.m., or would I even say 12, or it's just 6:32, and we're so hungry. Want to eat. Then
it seems there was a meeting somewhere where it was discussed that noodles is no longer a fast food, so we should stop treating it as such. Everybody's just making bushy noodles, so let me show you how to make this one too. Get some beef strips or some chicken, anyone honestly, any protein. Season with some white pepper, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, some sazon mix, some dark soy sauce, and then you're going to seal that with some blended sesame oil. Cover that and set aside to marinate for a while. In a pot of boiling water, you're going to add in your noodles. Now, as a normal human being, 2 Indomitable is okay for you. You don't need more. You're now going to leave this to cook for at most 3 minutes. So don't let your noodles cook for long. If not, it will get soggy, okay? While that is happening, you're going to get another pan, add in some blended sesame oil, add in that your seasoned beef, and now you're going to fry it till it is well cooked. Add in some peppers and some onions and continue the frying process. Now you're going to introduce your vegetables. You're going to use some carrots, you're using some yellow bell peppers, some red bell peppers, some green bell peppers, and some onions. Honestly, vegetable, just in case people did not know before. Now you know. Add in your noodle seasoning pack. Guys, what is always at the other side of this noodle seasoning pack? It hardly even comes out. They said it's pepper, right? You're now going to add in the oil that comes with your noodles. Stir everything to combine. Then you're going to add in your pre-cooked noodles. Then I'm going to add in some dark soy sauce, some light soy sauce, and some ketchup. There's ketchup inside this mix. Please don't skip that ketchup. It will give this very nice kick to the meal. When I tell you something, people should be listening. Don't go and be doing the one that your heart chooses, okay? Stir everything to combine, and then your noodles is ready. Guys, just look at this food. It's not looking fine in your eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!